So this is a generator. Now, pieces of a generator. I mean, there's the engine right there. This is what you think of when you think of the generator, the part that actually generates the electricity. This is a 400 kilowatt generator. The way it works is you take a magnet and you spin it inside the coils, and it will generate electricity on the coils, okay? So it's actually, this is a brushless magnet. So we have to figure out a way to get electricity onto the part to generate the field, the electric field, you know, the magnets. That's basically an electromagnet. And you spin the electromagnet inside the coils, and you can harvest electricity off the coils. There are 12 coils running the length of the cylinder, and so you have 24 wires here, each pair connected to one of the coils. Depending on how you hook up the coils together, you can determine what voltage you have, whether it's three-phase, you know, all various configurations, but it's all reconfigurable. So it requires a manual to figure it all out. So this is a brushless generator, which means there is no way to get electricity to those electromagnets to actually, so that way there's no friction, there's no moving parts that wear out from the rubbing. So how do you get electricity to those electromagnets? The way you do it is it's actually 3 generators in one. These are permanent magnets. So the permanent magnets, and it helps to stand parallel. The permanent magnets rotate inside this set of coils right here. And as they rotate, that generates an AC, an alternating current, comes out on these wires. And then you link this to it's a rectifier. It turns the AC into DC voltage. And the DC voltage, you can also put it like a potentiometer so you can control how much voltage you got. DC voltage feeds into these, which creates an electric field on these coils. And as these, that basically electromagnet, and now these coils are spinning around inside of those coils. So this generates electricity, an alternating current. It comes out of here and feeds into a rectifier. This is the rectifier which turns AC into DC. And now DC feeds from here into the big coils. The big coils generate a whole, you know, a constant electromagnetic field. So it's constant, so it's not alternating. But as the constant field rotates inside this, it generates electricity, a lot of it, which comes out through there. Pretty cool.